everyone, with me Nurmaya Khoerunnisa. Welcome to reaction video from workshop of designing activities in emergency remote teaching, which delivered by Dr Gumawang Jati. First, I will explain about online learning vs emergency remote teaching. Online learning means that we have prepared for new strategies in a long time before we take it in the class and before we serve it to our students. So, we design purposely to be a remote and distance. All resources are accessible, has full faculty support. Students are voluntary enlisting that ready to change face-to-face class to online learning. And emergency remote teaching means that we change face-to-face class to online learning because the urgent situation, like pandemic now. A consequences are may lack of resources, may not have full faculty support, activity in response to a crisis or something beyond human control, etc. Because we're not ready to do that. And how to deal with emergency remote teaching in pandemic now? Things to consider designing online lesson are: the first is instruction. We should provide clear and simple instruction to guide learners during the task and use Bahasa Indonesia when necessary. Second is chunk of activities. Think of short and doable activities and arrange it from the easiest to the difficult. And third is teach time. Don't use many tools in a teach. Use one tools in a time to avoid confusion. So, in this section, you can choose the essential application for designing activities in emergency remote teaching. They are learning apps, Padlet, Flipgrid, Screencastify, Vocaro, Advazel, and quizzes. Okay, enough from me. Thanks for watching. May this useful for you. Bye!